Hi guys, today we are going to talk about list and dictionary comprehensions. List comprehension is a Pythonic way of generating a list from any other iterable, which can be another list, string, or any iterable. The easiest way to learn comprehensions is to first solve it with a for loop and then convert the for loop into a comprehension until you get the hang of it. My first example will be to take a list of numbers and create another list and raise the number to the power of 2. Right, so there's my list of numbers. Let's do it the for loop way. Now for the comprehension way. And the way I do it is to first code the for loop and then fill in the expression at the beginning of the comprehension. Right, as you can see, they are both exactly the same. The first one is the for loop way, and the second one is the list comprehension way. Now let's do one with a conditional statement. Let's create a new list with only the even numbers squared. First, we will do it with a for loop and then convert that into a comprehension. Now let's convert that into a comprehension, and again I code the for loop first, then I do the conditional statement, and then I fill out the expression. Right, and there again you can see they're exactly the same outputs. That was the for loop, and this is the list comprehension. So you can see it's very easy to first solve the problem using a for loop, and then take that for loop and then put it into a list comprehension. And as I said, the way I do it is I first code the for loop the same way you would do a normal for loop is you would start with the for loop, then you do the condition as it is there in the for loop, and then you do the expression, which is there. And that is a very easy way to solve the problem. Now, dictionary comprehensions are very similar to list comprehensions. You can create them from any iterable. I will use the same method of first solving the problem with a for loop and then converting that into a dictionary comprehension. My first example will be to create a dictionary from a list of names and give them a random score. So I need to import the random module first, then I will use a for loop to create the dictionary, and after that I will convert it into a dictionary comprehension. Right, there you can see there's a dictionary that is displayed with all the names from the list and a random score. Now I will convert it to a dictionary comprehension by first coding the for loop and then the key value pairs separated by a colon. Right, there you can see you've got two dictionaries. Okay, the first one was created with the for loop, and the second one was created with the dictionary comprehension. Now let's create a dictionary from another dictionary, and I will use the above dictionary to create a new one and add 10 to everyone's score. I will solve it with a for loop first and then convert it to a dictionary comprehension. Right, there you can see I've created another dictionary from the existing one above, and I've added 10 to all their values, and you can see it below. Okay, there it is there. Now I'm going to use the dictionary comprehension to do the same thing. Okay, now for the comprehension, and I will code the for loop first and then the key value pairs. Right, there you can see there's the for loop and there's the list comprehension, and they're all using the same original dictionary. Okay. Now we will make a comprehension with a conditional statement by creating a new dictionary with the scores above 50. First using the loop method, and then I will convert it. Right, there you can see there is only the scores that are above 50. So it's excluding Frank. Now for the comprehension, and I will code the for loop first, then the conditional statement, and then fill in the key and value pairs. Right, guys, there you can see there's the dictionary comprehension, and it's exactly the same output as the for loop. Okay, I think you will agree that comprehensions are much less code to write, and they make sense. I think it's best not to make them too complicated because they can become unreadable. But any simple for loop can be used as a comprehension instead of coding out a for loop. They don't make your runtime quicker, so if you prefer to code for loops, then stick with that until you are comfortable with comprehensions. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and you learned something new. Please subscribe to the channel to support the content and smash that like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Cheers.